Are you struggling with weight loss? Most people do, and that's because they're constantly battling their hormones and hunger cravings. And even their best intentions go out the window late at night when hunger and the food cravings come calling. And they won't take no for an answer. Millions of people go through this struggle daily, and it takes an emotional toll on them. They believe that they're weak, when in reality, they're a slave to their hormones. We all are. That's exactly why Leptitox might be the solution to your problem. Leptitox claims to be able to manage your leptin resistance, and this is a fantastic solution to your problem. Why? Because Leptitox may be able to curb your hunger and food cravings. Because let's face it, when you eat less, you are eventually going to lose weight. The question is, does Leptitox work? Follow me to the next video, and we'll see if it lives up to the hype.